Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Bed Step 2 from AAM Research on the Keys to Ride Ram 1500. This access step is durable and reliable, so you can work smarter and not harder. The Bed Step 2 mounts just behind the cab, which gives you easier and quicker access to your toolbox or equipment. AAM Research also makes a similar product that mounts just under the rear bumper. Bed Step 2 is made from durable aluminum alloy components, and it's load rated up to 300 pounds. It features stainless steel pivot pins, which is what gives you that super solid stability when stepping up or down. It also has a non-slip grip surface and self-lubricating bushings for the ultimate performance in all weather conditions. This step is topped with a black powder-coated finish to protect against corrosion. The retractable truck bed side step is easy to use. It quickly flips down when needed and is easily folded back up when done. The installation is pretty straightforward, so we rate this a 3 out of 10 and it'll take you about 30 minutes or so to complete it. One thing to note is there is a little bit of trouble in accessing some of the bolts, so if that's something that you're uncomfortable with, check out the dealer locator below to find someone in your area to help you out. The Bed Step 2 from AAM Research is made in the USA and backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Bed Step 2 from AAM Research. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.